Hi, you guys. I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maitri Thakkar and I create beauty content on Instagram as well as YouTube. Today, we're actually here to talk about some of the new Insight Cosmetic launches. Today, we're only covering the lip category from Insight Cosmetics, basically the new launches that they have brought in the lip category. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a mini review of what the product actually feels like, what the packaging looks like, and what the formula feels like, and I'm going to swatch them right after. So let's go. The products and shades that I've mentioned and used in this particular video are going to be linked down below in the description. So don't forget to check that out. By the way, before you guys ask me what am I wearing on my lips right now, it is the Insight Cosmetics lipstick itself. And this is the long lasting lip color in the shade 03. Haters gonna hate. It's a beautiful nude brown and I love it. First launch that we're going to talk about is the Insight Cosmetics Lip Crayon, which is actually one of their newest launches in the market. And I was very intrigued by this specific shade number 10 Chai Spice that they've launched in this range. It is a very beautiful brown and you guys know my love for nudes and browns. By the way, this lip crayon is actually infused with vitamin E and kojic acid. It is toxic free, PETA approved, 100% vegan, derma tested. Let me show you what the lip crayon looks like. This is the lip crayon packaging, very basic lip crayon packaging. This is the shade 10 Chai Spice. As you guys can see, I have literally nothing on my lips right now. My lips are completely bare. Let's go ahead and apply the shade Chai Spice from the Insight lip crayon. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to try to line my lips with this particular lip crayon so we can see if this is actually going to work as a lip liner as well. I have literally tried to line as thin as possible and this actually does work as a lip liner. You just have to sharpen it a little bit, but this will definitely work as a lip liner. So you don't need a lip liner separately when you're using this particular lip crayon. So that's a great thing. Now let's fill it in. Such a beautiful lip crayon. As you saw, this was so easy to apply, so easy to use. The best part about this particular lip crayon is that it's so pigmented that you don't really have to go in again and again to actually build up the color. So that's a great thing. It's actually applied so smoothly and glided so smoothly on my lips. I have dry chapped lips and this does not make my lips look crusty as of right now. As I smack my lips right now, I don't really feel any dryness or stickiness or any weird grittiness sort of a texture. It actually feels quite matte and smooth. This lip crayon doesn't really have a specific scent to it or any fragrance to it, so that's a great thing. If you're somebody who does not like fragrance or scents into your makeup, I think you're going to like this lip crayon. It definitely does not have any scent to it whatsoever. Let's see if it transfers. As you can see, there's very tiny bit of transfer, but not a lot. Lipstick is still very much intact, so that's a great thing that it is transfer proof. Overall, I think this is a great lip crayon. And this one retails only for 220 rupees. And right now there's Nykaa Pink Friday sale going on. So I'm sure this must be at a greater discount. So you should definitely get your hands on it. Moving on to the next launch. This is the Insight Professional Ultra Smooth Lipstick and actually has rice bran butter. And this is in the shade 7 Endurance that I got myself. So the inner packaging of the lipstick looks like it is a plastic packaging, but looks quite good. It has a magnetic closure to it. This one again retails for 240 rupees. You get a bullet lipstick for 240 rupees. Very affordable. This is what the bullet looks like and this is what the shade 07 Endurance looks like. Very good deep brown shade. Somebody who's my skin tone, this is what it's going to look like on you. With somebody who's lighter than me, this is going to look like a deep brown on you. And somebody who's darker than me or more dusky than me, I think this one is going to look like a pretty nude on you. Very easy to apply. Such a beautiful brown. This actually looks really good on me and I'm very happy with the shade that I picked up. Very comfortable. It has a very beautiful satiny finish. It definitely is not matte is what I'm feeling till now. Let's read the packaging and see if it actually says that it's a matte lipstick. No, it does not really say that it's a matte lipstick. It says that it's enriched with moisturizing ingredients and it actually does not make my lips feel dry. It actually feels very hydrating and moisturizing. They have a bunch of shades for you to pick out from. Let's see if it transfers. I'm sure this will transfer. Yeah, this definitely does transfer because it is not a matte lipstick. Even after the transfer, I think the lipstick payoff is still quite good on my lips. Overall, I think this lipstick is a great lipstick to add to your cart because of the shade mainly. I really, really love the shade. Since this is not a matte lipstick, I don't really see myself wearing this, especially outside for events, because I prefer matte lipsticks over satin lipsticks any day. The next product that we're going to be talking about is the Insight Color Rich Lip Liners, which are long lasting lip liners from Insight Cosmetics. I have three shades right here with me: 01, 07, and 11. Let's go ahead and swatch these. These actually have jojoba oil and vitamin E oil. So basically, it has nourishing ingredients again. It should not feel drying on the lips. This is what the inner packaging of the Insight lip liner looks like. This is the shade 01 Cardinal Rose. Yeah, applies very, very smoothly as you saw. This lip liner retails only for 100 bucks and you get such a creamy lip liner for 100 rupees. Definitely something you should add to your cart. You saw these were actually so pigmented and so easy to apply. These are definitely worth the 100 rupees that you're going to spend on them. This is 07 Turkish Rose. This is 11 Chestnut Grove. Last but not the least, I'm going to be talking about the hydrating lip glosses that they recently launched. I have three shades right here with me: 1, 2, and 4. This is 01 Pearl Glaze, and this is a beautiful iridescent shade which has beautiful shimmer particles in it. This is what the doe foot applicator looks like. It's quite a medium sized doe foot applicator. Yeah, it's actually very, very beautiful. This is 01 Pearl Glaze. This is 02 Brown Sugar. And you guys know, I think this is going to be my favorite. I hope this is as pigmented on my lips as it shows on the doe foot applicator and in the bottle. It actually is quite opaque. You can actually see the brown tint on my lips. I have pigmented lips and it's actually showing that beautiful brown tint on my lips. So that's a great thing. If you're somebody who does not have pigmented lips, I think it's going to show even more on your lips than it does on mine. This is 02 Brown Sugar. This is 04 Pink Blossom. It's a beautiful pink lip gloss with a little bit of shimmer particles in it. This is 4 Pink Blossom. This one is actually quite more pigmented than the other two. If you're somebody who likes Barbie pink lip glosses, this one is definitely for you. If you guys enjoyed this video and if this video helped you in any way, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.